That's a real man with 2 chainsaws right there now. Got myself a real man's man.
Welcome back to Lake Lot Build. My name is John, and today is a little bit different episode. So you can see that most of the house is finished here. So today we're going to go outside. And we have a new little addition to the family. And honey, make sure I pronounce this right. Is this a Saker?
I think it's Saker.
Okay, so this is a mini electric chainsaw. And so I'm going to unbox it for you guys today. And then we're going to take it outside and see how it performs. Comes with 1 battery, 1 charger, 1 little bitty Phillips screwdriver, and 1 wrench, and actual chainsaw.
Look at how cute she is.
Little guy.
She's just a little guy.
It also comes with the instructions, the manual, and a little bit of chain oil.
Oh, the chain oil.
So I've already charged this guy up. Very simple, like any of the other batteries. Goes in, locks in. To take it out, simply push the button down right there. And it slides right out. You can see the little locking mechanism right there.
Great.
So to start this baby, push the button on the side. Oh, and pull the trigger. Did you see that?
Woo!
Oh, that's legit. So now that we are charged up and ready to go, we should probably go outside. But before we do that, in the event that the blade gets loose, see right now it's nice and tight. This is your adjustment. Put it in there. Loosen that up, and this thing, the bar, the chain bar, slides forward and backwards, and so you just give it a little tug, and then you set your screw back tight.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay, baby. Maiden voyage. You want to try it?
All
right, give a little gas.
Push it on the side.
All right. Oh my gosh.
That worked pretty quick.
The branch hit me. Wow.
That was really quick.
Wow. All right, you want to try, let's try this one up here. Can you get it? I'm going to scoot back a little bit. Oh, Daddy light. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. That's pretty good.
Wow. Dude, you made quick work of that. You want to try the bottom? Okay, you ready?
Okay.
All right, hit it. Okay,
Guys,
that made a believer out of me on that one right there.
this is legit, actually.
I like it because it's so small and then, like,
I couldn't get through that with clompers.
no.
And who wants to drag this guy down for that?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, that is awesome.
That works real well.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alrighty. Well, I'm going to leave. I'm going to set this up over here and you just go to town.
Let's get some stuff cut.
All right. You want to try it?
Yeah, so what are we thinking? This is like maybe 2.5 inches or so?
Yeah. Let me see. Let me zoom up on it. Okay. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah,
No kidding.
that's no problem at all.
All right.
So, here's what I can say about the Saker mini chainsaw. It's great if you're intimidated by a big chainsaw, like I'm a little intimidated by the big chainsaw, but there are things that you can get with this you can't get with clompers, right? So that you can't get with the manual tree limb trimmer. So I would say 5 out of 5. I think it's really cool and it works really well. And I haven't run out the battery, and we've run out of the battery twice now on the big chainsaw. So what do you think, viewing it?
I think it's wonderful. To me, the balance on it, where to watch you cut, it doesn't have that long blade out in front of it that I'm afraid that you might cut yourself with it.
Yeah, and this, you know, flips up and moves out of the way as you slice through branches. It's pretty good.
Okay, wonderful.
All right, he just took the slice out.
So I think my angle is pretty good.
Yeah, I think you're good. It's kind of naturally leaning away from where you're gonna cut. Timber! It's like the most anticlimactic timber ever.
All right, which one's next?
This guy, boom.
That one there?
This guy, boom.
Okay.
And that guy.
And that one, oh yeah, way back there. Hopefully I'm... All right, so we got that one, and then probably that one. So 4.
Yep. Trying to get down this big tree. Big tree's next. Now kids, do not try this at home. We are not arborists. We do not cut trees for a living. We're just a couple of people that have cut a tree or two in our time. There she goes. And this is the view after all our hard work.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So the beautiful thing about being in the Ozarks is our karst soil and makeup that makes for lots of little caves and springs.
So this is what we're trying to uncover, right? This is what we found, and we're slowly have started to take all of this debris away from it. So we made it to here, and we're working our way down. So that's why this tree's out of the way, but look at this. I'll just be quiet. Comes right out of those rocks right there. There's like a little cave.
So cool.
Isn't that beautiful? That water's just crystal clear. People pay a lot of money for this.
If you had to build this as your own water feature, you'd be out a lot of money.
Gosh.
We're not quite to our property line yet. John's pulling the leaves out, and now it's dramatically changing the flow of the water. Now you got a waterfall.
Yeah, we're going to plug that. There you go, look at that.
All right, well, thank you all for being here on another episode of Lake Lot Build. We got a lot of stuff down here to do in the forest, but we'll catch you next time. Bye.